Good morning, grade 6 students. How are you? Hope you're doing fine. In this video, we are going to revise what we have covered the previous week. First, we got introduced to our reading lesson, Treasure in the Attic, which talks about two cousin girls who are searching in the attic for their great-grandma's pearl earrings to sell them to get money to buy a new bike. Our vocabulary words were benefactor, empathy, endeavor, entail, extensive, indecision, multitude, and tentatively. The genre was drama play. It's a drama play since it's written as lines of dialogue to be spoken by actors. It also has stage directions to indicate setting and action. In our lesson, it has short sections, scenes, but it might have in other lessons long sections, acts. Our comprehension skill was fact and opinion. We agreed that facts are statements that are true and can be proven, while opinions are statements that cannot be proven and can be argued. For example, a fact: most buses weigh more than most cars. Is it true? Opinion: golf is boring. Some would say yes, but others would say no. In grammar, we identified what is a fragment and how to correct it. When we say fragment, we mean a piece of a sentence. So the sentence is missing one of its key components, which are maybe the subject, the verb, or the complement. How do I correct it? I simply look for the missing part and I add it. Also, we covered the four types of sentences, which are declarative, statement, it ends with a period; imperative, command or polite request, ends with a period and sometimes with an exclamation mark; interrogative, asks a question, ends with a question mark; exclamatory, it expresses feelings or ends with an exclamation mark. Also, recognized and wrote words with short vowel sounds. You can go back to our phonics lecture to review the words with their meanings. In writing, we got introduced to the first two parts of the paragraph, the topic sentence or the introductory sentence and the details. We agreed that the introductory sentence is the most important sentence in the paragraph since it introduces the reader to the topic, and it must attract him, not let him feel bored to continue reading the paragraph. We agreed also that the topic sentence is of two main parts, the topic itself and the main idea. What should I write in the details? I should write supporting ideas that support the main idea in the topic sentence. I have to add at least 3 reasons, examples, or main points. Make them exciting to attract the reader. Okay, now let's have a look on what we are going to cover the next week. We are going to solve comprehension sheet related to the lesson. We will recognize and write words with the long vowel sounds. We will identify simple and compound subjects and the predicates. We are going to identify the third part of a paragraph, concluding sentence, and practice the related worksheet. Also, we are going to practice role play speaking. Thank you, students, and have a nice weekend.